Friends, good evening. Welcome to another episode of American Living. So today is going to be a very interesting recipe. I'm going to prepare a very yummy snack which is called banana fritters or parampuri. Banana fritters is a very popular snack in Kerala, a southern state in India. It is made with the ripe plantains. So excited because it's one of my most favorite snack in my life. When I was pregnant, I used to make this parampuri almost every day and eat because you can't buy this banana fritters anywhere in US. So today I'm going to show you how we are going to make this. So let's get back to the kitchen. So I have two ripe plantains thinly sliced in a plate, and this is the plantain I use. This is called plantains and you get it in any store, any grocery store. This is the maida I'm using. You can also use all-purpose flour if you don't have maida. So take 2 cups of all-purpose flour in a bowl, and here I'm using half cup of sugar. You can reduce or increase the amount of sugar according to your taste, but I'm adding half cup of sugar and some jeera here. And jeera again is optional. This jeera and turmeric is added for color, and jeera is like it's good for you. So basically I add jeera and turmeric in everything. So to this I'm going to make a dough with slightly warm water. I'm not using cold water here because always use warm water to make a dough. Even for chapati, it's always good to make it with warm water. To this I'm adding the yellow turmeric and the jeera, and I'm going to mix this into a not like a very fluidy dough. It's like a slight thick dough so that we can dip the banana and fry it. So the dough has to be a little thick, okay, and not too much thick. Our dough is thickened, so you can see the right consistency. It's not very fluidy and not very thick, okay. I'm going to add a tiny pinch of salt, which I forgot. So for every sweetness you add a tiny pinch of salt, and for every savory stuff you add a pinch of sugar, okay. So let me put a pinch of sugar here, pinch of salt here. So I'm adding 1 small pinch of kosher salt, and also add 1 pinch of baking soda to this, okay, which I forgot, and I'm going to add it before I make the parampuri. So 1 pinch of kosher salt and 1 tiny pinch of baking soda. So you need the right spoon or the utensil to pick this banana fry, because if you're using this one, it won't keep that oil. So when you take the banana fry, it leaves all the oil behind, so it won't be soggy and it won't be oily when you eat it. Make sure you are turning both sides so both sides get fried, and also when it is done you can see a nice golden brown color. You can see it here, and this is the right time to pick them up, okay. You guys enjoyed my recipe of banana fritters, and next time you go to Publix or Winn-Dixie, make sure you grab a bunch of plantains, come home and make this banana fritters for the kids. I'm sure they will love it.